It's game day, and the living room buzzes with excitement. The irresistible aroma of air-fryer American chicken wings fills the air. These wings are not just delicious, they're a healthier version of a classic favorite. No mess, no guilt, just pure deliciousness. Air fryers have revolutionized cooking. Minimal oil, maximum crispiness. Perfect for those who crave healthier options. Imagine wings that are significantly lower in calories and fat. Ready in under 30 minutes, with no oily splatters to clean up. To make these wings, you'll need chicken wings, olive oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, salt, and black pepper. Pat the wings dry, toss them in the seasoning mix, and preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The secret to perfect crispiness starts here. Arrange the wings in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway through for even cooking. Once golden and crispy, toss the wings in your favorite sauce. Whether it's buffalo, barbecue, or honey mustard, the choice is yours. For extra crispy wings, pat them dry before cooking and avoid overcrowding the basket. Experiment with different sauces for variety. These wings are more than just a recipe, they're a tradition in the making. Perfect for any occasion, they're guaranteed to be a hit.